Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deep Information Technology. My name is Deep. I will help you to understand IT concepts better. If you like my content, then prefer to follow or subscribe my channel page. Thank you. Today we are continuing C++. We are going through static data members. Any data members can be initialized as static data members, as static keyword provides some different characteristic. So static data members are not like normal data members. It is initialized as 0 when an object is created. So static data members will always initialized as 0. We cannot give a value to it in this initialization. Only one copy of the member is created and it is shared by all the objects of that class. So mostly the static data members have only one copy which all the objects share. It is visible only in the class. So static data members are only visible in the class through, but it have the access all over the program. Now we will further proceed to static function members. By declaring a function member as static, you make it independent. It has certain properties given below. Static member functions can be called even if no object of that class exists, and the static functions are accessed using only the class name and scope resolution operator. So as discussed, we do not need any objects to call the static member functions, and it can be accessed using the scope resolution operator, that is double colon. A static member functions can only access static data member, other static member functions and any other functions outside the class. So it may not access the other data members. Passing objects as an argument. The object of a class can be passed as an argument to member functions, as well as non-member functions, either by value or by reference. In pass by value, when an object is passed by value, a copy of the actual object created inside the function. This copy is destroyed when the function is terminated. So, any changes made to copy of the objects inside are not reflected in actual object. As it is a copy, so in pass by value, if we change the copy, it does not reflect in the actual object. Now we will further proceed for pass by reference. On other hand, in pass by reference, only reference to that object, not the entire object, is passed to the functions. So it only gives the reference that this object is referencing. Thus the changes made to the objects within the function are also reflected in the actual object. So as it is referencing and not making a copy of the object, if we make any changes in this, it does reflects to the actual object. Now we will further proceed for returning objects from functions. A function can also return objects either by value or by reference. When an object returns value from functions, a temporary object is created within functions which holds the return value. So here is also the same case. The value is further assigned to another objects in the calling function. Syntax is class name space function name, then parameter list, parenthesis body of the function, and close the parenthesis. Then we will go through the friend function. A friend is a function that can access private member. It can also access the public member or the protected member of a class as its member of that class. To declare the friend function, we can use the friend keyword in front of the prototype of the function we wish to friend of a class. It cannot be called using the object of that class. It cannot use member's name directly. So a friend function cannot directly use the member's name. it has no object as an argument, so it cannot access the objects, cannot be used as an argument. Then we will learn about friend class. So there is little difference between a friend function. When we are using a friend as a function as a friend, so a function can access all the data members of a class. But when we use friend class, in this class gives access to all the members of the friend class of the private member. It can also give the access to private, protected and public member of another class in which it is declared as. Hope you have understood the concepts. Thank you.